Namaskaram and Swagatam to Fluent in Malayalam. It's been a long time since I posted anything, but I hope you're back and you're going to enjoy this video. In today's video, we are going to learn birds in Malayalam. So how we say the names of birds in Malayalam. So before we start, bird is Pakshi or Kili in Malayalam. Pakshi or Kili. Birds, the plural is Pakshigal or Kiligal. Pakshigal, Kiligal. Okay, so let us learn some birds' name. First one is crow. Crow is Kaka. Kaka. Crow is Kaka. Pigeon. Pigeon is Pravu. 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 Peacock. Peacock is Mile. 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 Sparrow. Sparrow is Kuruvi. 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 Duck. Duck is Taravu. Duck is Taravu. Taravu. Ostrich. Ostrich is Ottagapakshi. Ostrich is Ottagapakshi. Ottagapakshi. So I think if you have seen the animal name video, you know Ottagam is camel. So Ottagapakshi. Eagle. Eagle is Parundu. 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 Eagle is Parundu. Vulture. Vulture is Karugan. 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 Vulture is Karugan. Owl. Owl is Moonga. 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 And here it is really a nasal sound, the nga. So it's Moonga. Cuckoo. Cuckoo is Quail. Cuckoo is Quail. Quail. Rooster. Rooster is Poovan Kori. Poovan Kori. Poovan Kori. Hen is Pidakori. 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 In general, everything that comes into that category, chicken, hen, rooster, cock, everything is called, in general it is said Kori. Kori. So rooster is Poovan Kori and hen is Pidakori. Parrot. Parrot is Tata. 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 Parrot is Tata. Crane. Crane is Kokku. 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 Crane is Kokku. Myna. Myna. That's an easy one. Myna is Myna. Myna is Myna. Swan. Swan is Arayannam. 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 Swan is Arayannam. Woodpecker. Woodpecker is Maram Kotti. Woodpecker is Maram Kotti. Maram Kotti. So that's like a literal name, like wood is Maram and Kottuga is to peck on it. So Maram Kotti. Maram Kotti. Woodpecker is Maram Kotti. Kingfisher. Kingfisher is Ponman. Ponman. Kingfisher is Ponman. Goose. Goose is Vata. Goose is Vata. Vata. Seagull. Seagull is Kadal Kaka. Seagull is Kadal Kaka. So those were 20 bird names in Malayalam. I hope you enjoyed it. If I have missed some of it, you can use the comment section to comment that, because when I thought about birds, these are the only ones that came into my mind, but there might be more of it. And if you have any other suggestions regarding any other videos to be made, please do comment that in the comment section. And as always, hit on like and share, and if you are seeing the channel for first time, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Namaskaram.